Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you guys how to make an easy origami rose out of any standard printer paper. Please remember to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. All you will need to make this is a piece of paper and a pair of scissors. To make the paper, all you'll need is to fold the top edge to the left edge. Now, to make the square paper, what we're going to need to do, we're going to cut along this edge right there. See, use your scissors, and as precisely as you can, just make a cut that runs along that line. After you cut, discard paper unused. Now, reopen that fold. Now, fold this top edge to the bottom. Back. Make the corners touch and reinforce. Now reopen. Fold the right edge to the left edge. Now reopen. Now fold the top edge to the bottom. Now reopen. Now what you want to do is you want to bring these edges to the bottom edge. Now you want to reverse this center crease like that. And do the same. Next, you want to bring these edges here, corners, to the top point. Reinforce well. Now, you want to use your finger, put it in that pocket, and just slowly fold it down like that, and increase. Now, what you want to do is fold this to that corner right there. Now, fold this to that point right there. Now, I'm going to flip the paper over and do the same steps on the other side. Now, just move these layers over and flip that flap over. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to fold along these edges that are already outlined for us. Now, fold up as far as it will go, meeting that point right there. Now, you will do the same things, however, this time on the last flap. Just want to fold along these diagonals to the center crease. Reinforce well, and then fold this point. So ours will go until it meets that point right there. After you've done that, the next step, we're just going to be pulling on this layer right here, like this, and as well as all the other layers, like that. Now we're going to be opening up all those pockets. While you're doing that, you kind of want to twist the paper a little bit. It's easier to do this on a counter or a table. Like this. Flatten out. And now, you want to do is, you want to grab this and twist it. That in your hand. Now, you want to take these petals and fold them down a little bit. So I'm going to curl those petals down, and there you go. You have finished Origami Rose, and I hope you enjoy it, and it looks really cool, and there you go.